What's going on, guys? Brandon here with another video. Today I'm going to be cleaning out my truck, and me and my girlfriend Courtney are going to be heading to meet up with some of the guys later on, and then once we meet up with them, we're going to be rolling out to New Orleans Lakefront for a little truck show. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I use to detail my truck with. Pretty simple stuff. I use Chemical Guys Extreme Body Wash and Wax. Anything Chemical Guys I am in love with. Got my foam cannon. I love these things, and I highly recommend one. So much easier washing your vehicle. And I don't know if any of you guys have ever heard of Rain-X waterless car wash and rain repellent. I put this on after I dry off my truck, and it's kind of like a ceramic coat, but it doesn't last. You got to put it on probably every time you wash your vehicle. It beads off the water amazingly and doesn't leave any water spots or anything like that. My auto scents have finally arrived. They came in yesterday, and I couldn't wait to make the video, so I went ahead and put a vanilla one in. They smell amazing. If you guys want these, they'll have a link in my bio, and use the code FIRST50 and you will get 15% off of your purchase.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around. Body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.